Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete a wallpaper on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to swipe down from the top left, then press and hold it. Then you should see all the wallpapers you have on your iPhone. To delete any of the wallpaper, just locate the one you want to delete. Swipe up on it a bit, and then you should see the trash icon revealed. Then go ahead and click on the trash icon. A pop will appear that says delete this wallpaper. Now go ahead and click on delete this wallpaper. Repeat this on all the wallpapers that you want to delete on your iPhone to delete the wallpaper. And after that, go ahead and select the wallpaper you want to set as your iPhone wallpaper. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete a wallpaper on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.